Alright guys, so I just got my box from Skylark. Let's open it up here. Alright, so let's get it open. Skylark boxes. Wish you have a nice flight. Inside, what do we got here? Invoice, kind of instructions. There it is. It looks pretty. Oops. It's a nice looking piece of aluminum. Sweet little rubberized gears. Big old servo. Wish you have a nice flight. What else we got? Some ground station wires. A mount. Damn, that's some nice foam. Should send me a block of that, I'll make a plane. And this must be the OSD. Yeah, there it is. So this is the new Trace 2, it's all blue. Got a bent pin on there. Nice. Hopefully that won't break when I try to bend it back. Let's see the connectors. The different style connectors on the Trace 1, those look really nice. Current sensor, GPS, USB. Sweet. That's it guys. I'll start getting this on my new plane. Well, not my new one, the old wing. You may recognize it, it's been through hell. And then I got my Trace 1 up on the Spectre. And gonna use an 8-turn helical that Whakahere sent me, so that should be sick. Alright, here's that 8-turn 5.8 helical I got. Ooh, isn't that pretty? He also sent me a little carrying case for it. So this, plus this, is going to give me some wicked video on my Spectre flying behind the objects and long distance and everything else. So, anyway, that's the new Skylark antenna tracker and Trace 2 OSD.